Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be doing another Erin Condren unboxing. It has been a while since I did one of these videos, and I just placed an order towards the very end of December actually, and it took forever to get here for some reason. I think one of the products that I had purchased went out of stock, and it wasn't an item that they are going to continue making in the future. So I think that's why it was delayed a bit. And of course, I always do like the longest shipping option because it's the cheapest. But anyway, I got a few new products from Erin Condren, so I'm gonna open this up and let's see what's inside. Okay, so we have our normal little to and from label and the little postcard on top. I always love that Erin Condren includes these little things. It just makes the package feel extra special. Okay, so right over here on the side, the very first thing that I see is this stationery box. So I purchased this box simply because they were advertising it and I was really curious to see what it was. It includes all of these different cards for different occasions. So it looks like there are 6 different sections here in this box. We have birthday, thanks, congrats, inspire, and then support. And there's 3 different cards in each category, and it looks like it comes with some stickers in the front as well. I think this is a cute little box. I love to send cards, so this is a great little thing to have on my desk if I want to send somebody a card or tell them thank you or anything like that. So I'm pretty happy with this purchase. We'll see how it goes in the long run. Next up is this sticker sheet. And this is the New Year, New You sticker sheet, and it just has some really fun quotes on it that are inspirational, and I love stickers, so I just had to purchase them. I couldn't resist them. Just a fun thing to have for the new year. Next up is the annual sticker book. So from what I understand, Erin Condren comes out with a sticker book each year, and there is a theme for each month. So there's 12 different pages in here that have different stickers for each of the months. And it's just kind of a fun little book that you can have to help decorate your planner. Let's go ahead and open it up for you guys. So we've got January, February, March, April. Oh, I love May. That looks so fun. I love the flowers. June, July, oops, don't skip August. August, oh, there's donuts on there, that's so cute. September, October, November, and lastly, December. So that's just what these annual sticker books are. They just have some stickers for each month to help you decorate your planner. And the last thing that I got is this energy, I'm reading the cover as I'm saying this, this wellness log. So Erin Condren recently came out with their petite planners. So they're just smaller books. This says it's 5.7 by 8.25 inches. So it is smaller. This would actually fit pretty well next to my life planner. But they're just smaller notebooks or journals that you can use for different things. So this one's specific to wellness, so fitness, health, nutrition, anything like that can go in here. Now I do have their original wellness log, which came out before they introduced the petite planners. So the petite planners, I believe there's like a baby tracker, a pregnancy tracker, a meal planner, a gratitude journal, and then this wellness journal. And they actually had a wellness journal before they came out with petite planners, and I have one of them and have been using it. The one that I have only does 3 months at a time, and I believe this one does 6 months. And I know the layout on the inside is a little bit different and the sizes of the actual journals are different. So I think I'm going to be doing a comparison video coming up in the future just to compare the two, kind of explain the differences, figure out which one I like better so I can try this one out before I go through it with you guys. And yeah, I'm really excited about this because I've gotten really into fitness over the last year or so. Just gonna open this up. Gotten really into fitness over the last year or so, and I'm just excited to see how this can fit into my lifestyle and just all that kind of good stuff. Oh, and there's stickers in the back, that's awesome. Alright guys, so that is going to be it for my unboxing. I know it was pretty small. I had ordered something else, but like I said, it ran out of stock and they weren't going to keep making it, so I didn't get it. But that is okay. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Like I said, I'm going to be doing a comparison between the Petite Planner wellness vlog and their original wellness vlog. So look for that in the future. Other than that, I will see you guys next time. Bye.